I never had a taste for this sort of thing, but I must admit, I'm deeply enjoying the suit.
Hey all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Iron Man. We've only got 4 issues left. We start with issue 97, which is, there we go, these are the pelvis for positions C and D. We've already done A, which is already on the model. There is position B. Now let's have a look at the magazine. Okay, now here we have the magazine. As you can see, the pelvis for position C and D and assembly of position A, but we've already done A. We've attached it to the legs, so that is already complete. So all we need to do is stage 1, which is put the pelvises together, and it's just basically that clip there and that spring, and then we put the 2 pieces together. There we go, spring bases, springs, pelvis joints for C and D 1 and 2. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. So here we have the parts, let's get them out. There we go, those are the parts. 97A, 97B, 97C, which is the springs, and 97D are them little levers, and we have LP screws. So basically what we need to do is to pop one of these springs in there with one of these levers. Pop that lever in that hole. If we can, there we are. This is going to be awkward, it's a spring. There we go, position it just like that. Excellent, and then put the other on top, which I bet you is not easy. That way around. That hole there goes over that. So line that up. Yep. Oh, wanted to come out, but there we go. It's in. That springs there. There we go. That doesn't meet flush there or there, but we've got screws to attach now. We have 1, 2, 3 screws. So let's get the screws out and put them in place. There we go. Anyway, let's do the next one. So this time we can pop the spring on there and push it in there, push that in that hole there, like that, just exactly the same as before, and hopefully that won't spring off. I feel as though it is going to do. Hold up there, hopefully get that in place. There we go. Patience. That one doesn't meet up either. Weird. Let's screw it together anyway. There we go. That's not looking good though. Not looking good at all, but you can see the peg there and the peg there and that clip there. Well, there's quite a gap there. Well, there we go, those are those 2 pelvis joints. That will close up later because we have a screw hole here, same as there as well, and obviously you can see the hole straight through there, so that will get closed up as well later on. It's just that the first one we ever did wasn't as bad as that, but anyway, that's them 2 complete. So issue 97 complete. Let's move on to issue 98. Here we are, issue 98. Go through the comics as always. Iron Patriot with stars and stripes. That's a cracking read. Lovely artwork as always. It's always different, depends on the artist of course. And here we have the instructions parts you see with issue 98. We have the rear armour for abdomen hips position C and for hips position D, rear base for abdomen position C, front base for abdomen position C, front armour for abdomen / hips position C, same as position B, and again rear base for abdomen / hips position D, and the front base as well as. And there we go. Those are the detailed instructions to put it all together. Now that is what it will look like, the model will look like with that one included. That's the twisted hip position, position B. Looking brilliant. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here are the parts, let's get them out. Okay, so those are the parts. That is those 4 for hip position C and these for hip position D. So we'll pop them to one side. We have the KP screws here, so we'll need these out as well as. And basically what we need to do is to attach this with this. There's 1, 2 screw holes there, and that lines up with a curvature there, as you can see, like that. And we pop it together with 2 KP screws. There we go, that's that piece. Not quite. Just straighten that up. That's better. There we go. That's the first piece done. This one again just follows the curvature. 2 screws, 1 there, 1 there. As you can see, that piece goes on there like that. Yep. There we go. Let's get 2 screws on that, and we do the same with the next hip position. There we go. That's that nicely in place. So that's them 2 done, and then we need these 2. Again, the curvature follows that. Put that in place there like so. Yep. Got a screw place there. And we need 2 KP screws. Go. That's the first part of stage 2. And there's a second part. I may have done them out of order slightly, but it doesn't really matter. Again, the curvature of that follows the curvature of that there, so it can only really go on one way, like that. Get that in place with KP screws. There we go. Excellent stuff. Brilliant. So this is abdomen hips position D. Abdomen hips position C, and this is abdomen hips position D. As you can see, a slight difference. That turns that way, and that one turns that way. Excellent stuff. That is issue 98 complete. Now basically, if we get one of the poses like this one we did in issue 97, there is the clip there with the spring, and you push it through there when we get the button in place. So we got this mechanism to fit just yet. That'll come in the next issue. That will fit there like that, and that will be screwed together to hold it in place, because there you can see is a gap, and that gap is filled by that tab there, which is a screw hole. So that fits there like that. That will keep that clamp together. Excellent. The button obviously will press The bottom will obviously press that there, which will operate that clip there, and then the other piece will go on here. Again, there's another tab there which goes through that slot, which will keep that squeezed together, closing that gap, and that will go just like that. Obviously we've got some sides to fit as well, but that will keep that all nice and bunny. Basically it's just the same as that, similar anyway, but there's no sides on that one, whereas there was on the hips. Yeah, the abdomen hips position C, we had some sides on here. I'm not sure if we do get any on there or not, but you never know, you might do. Some screw holes here, some slots, but anyway, that's how that one will fit with that one. So this one we'll do exactly the same. Turn that around, position that there like that. Again, that will be kept together, closing that gap again, and this piece will go on top with that tab there, which has got a screw hole in it going through there, and that is another position for the abdomen hips. Excellent stuff. Now we just need 99 and 100 to be completed. Hi all, thank you for watching issues 97 and 98. We finally got there. Yes, there we go. That's 97 and 98 exactly. Now I won't tell a lie, I thought I'd lost this video. The build I did I don't know, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, can't remember exactly when I did it. I got 95, 96 around about Christmas time, so you've already seen that. 97, 98, I did do the build, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I thought I'd already posted it on YouTube, so I've already done 9900. That is already on my channel, as you know. And yesterday I was looking for 97, 98 in my playlist, and I couldn't see it anywhere. And I thought, what have I done with this? And what I've been doing, I've been deleting stuff off my PC, and I thought, oh no, I've deleted it. So I searched, hello Frig, can I find it? No, can I? So I had another look again today, and I found it. God knows where it worked, because I put in the search bar Iron Man 97, Iron Man 98. Couldn't find it anywhere. And it's all nicely labelled up, so God knows why it escaped me, but it's done. So now it's going on my channel. Even though 9900 is already on, at least this completes the full list from 1 to 100, which I'm chuffed about anyway. So anyway, I don't know, it must be an age thing. I can't believe it, lad. It's just, I don't know, just mind-boggling. I even searched for it today. A couple of times. I was putting in Iron Man 1, Iron Man 2, making sure I'd got them. Don't know where they've gone, lost them. And then I put in Iron Man 9, I put Iron Man 9, and then, did I put Iron Man 9 in? No, I didn't. I put Iron Man 97 in, nothing. Iron Man 98 in, nothing. And then I looked in another folder, and it was there, just sat there thinking, what have you done, you dum-dum? But anyway, it's done. Thankfully. Unreal. But anyway, 9900 is already on, so you're going to find this a little bit curious. I'm posting 97, 98, but I'm only doing it because it completes the list, as I've already said. But anyway, there we go, it's all finito, done. Brilliant. You've seen all the poses now, and just to prove to you, there we are, there is I think that's C, so that's completed. And there's D, and that is completed. We just get the side armour on, yeah, as you know, so you can actually skip the video, go straight to the finale if you knew. Anyway, excellent stuff. Anyway, that is it. That is the final Iron Man. So thanks for tuning in and watching for these past 2 years at least. At least we've got to 100 anyway, even though this isn't 100. I'm baffling myself now, shut up. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. If you did like this, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget all my other builds. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye for now.